Hey there friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out these LEFUS badminton shoes, or just all-around athletic shoes. These feature non-marking soles. We have a little fit chart on the top there. And here we are, some good-looking shoes here. Right, so these are non-marking white soles on the bottom. Actually look pretty sweet. Number 23 on the back there, and kind of a cool logo. Nice white and blue design here. And here's the second one here as well. Looks pretty sweet. Looks like some serious traction on here, and I'm gonna be trying these on. I like the seems to be a lot of cushioning on the tongue here. A breathable. Take this out. Looks like a breathable top here, so we get some air circulation going in there, and feels like some slip resistant non-marking soles there. Be trying these on and test it.